Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to the Don Kitchen. Today, guys, I will be doing melon dumpling. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, hi, if you are new here, welcome, and please be sure to subscribe. Also to my YouTuber, supporter, subscriber, follower, a big warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. So let's get started. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon or less of salt, 1 pound of melon. You will need your sieve. You need a bowl. First thing, the melon, we just gonna remove the melon from the skin. And you cut deep in it because that white part at the skin there, it's full of fiber. And we don't want to waste it. Also, the seed, it have a lot of benefit, guys. Don't throw away these little black seed. The melon seed, don't throw them away. Eat them. When you buy the melon, eat it. It's heart healthy. It lower blood sugar. That people with diabetes, yeah, it can lower the blood sugar. So what we're doing, we're gonna cut the melon. If you have the food processor, you just cut it in it. So we finish cut the melon. You're just gonna put it in the NutriBullet or the blender, the food processor, whatever. And we place it right there. And look, the melon make its own juices because the melon itself is 90% water. Just blend for 1 minute, even less than 1 minute. So the flour, you're gonna sieve your flour. You can add some more flour if you are making for more people. You can use like 2 cups of flour. So then you put the salt in. And you want to get your hands clean. And then you're gonna mix it around. And here is our melon juice. If you want to strain the melon juice, it's up to you, or if you just want to use it just as it is. I'm not straining it, I'm using it just as it is. And you're not going to use all the melon juice one time, you're going to do it gradually. If you put too much one time, then the flour will spoil. Because looking at this, it's too much for the amount of flour that I have. So this is a 1/2 cup. And yes, I can use a 1/2 cup. Let me get a next cup. Put on the side right here. So now you're going to use your finger and you're going to play in the flour and the melon juice. So we still have some more raw flour, so that is not needed. So we're going to put in a little more of the melon juice. This is a melon juice we left back with the remaining. So you just put it back together. So that's the reason why you're not using everything one time, because the flour will spoil. And then you would have to be adding more flour. If you're needing the flour and it's spoiled, all you need to do is take some flour out and sprinkle on it. Knead again, take some more and sprinkle over here. Until it become like this. You can break to how you want it, how thick or big you want to make the dumpling. But so here I got 5 dumplings from this flour. 5. You have to ensure you have the pot of water boiling. Please do not put the dough in cold water. And I'm just gonna add a little more salt to the water. So this is how you make your dumpling. You turn it, keep turning it around in your hand, just like this. And you place it in the boiling water. So beautiful people, you're watching this video today and you haven't yet subscribed. Please subscribe to Don Kitchen and hit that notification bell. So when Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. I like this video. Share this video with your friend. You want to turn them, because if you don't turn them, then they will be sticky in the bottom of the pot. You don't want them to be sticking. And this is our watermelon dumpling. And you're just gonna cover and let them boil within 15-20 minutes. I'll be back to show you when the flour is cooked, or you know when it is cooked. So it's 15 to 20 minutes, and look guys at our watermelon dumpling. Look at this guys. So let me remove one, and you know that the dumpling is cooked. If you notice, they are not sinking at the bottom, they're floating on the top. So the moment your dumpling is floating on the top, it is done. Beautiful people, our watermelon dumpling, boiled dumpling, is now ready and ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? Yes, so why not? Yeah, why not? Give it a try. I'm sure you will enjoy it. And you can have this with some stewed chicken, steamed collard, cabbage, corned beef, stewed chicken, curry goat, salt mackerel, salt fish, and okra. I've done a video on all of those stuff. So you can check out my video and see what you want to have this watermelon dumpling with. And all it takes is just 2 ingredients, the melon and the flour. And we have our cup of melon juice from it too. So all you need to do is some lime or a piece of lemon in this, and you have watermelon juice. So you see how much things we got from this morning. So I thank you beautiful people for watching the Don Kitchen. Please stay tuned for more video. I love you. Peace.